Once the Visit button is clicked, you have a first view of the H2O Hydrogen Torch homepage. To explore a standard workflow for utilizing H2O Hydrogen Torch, let's delve into the sequential steps encompassing dataset importation, model training, and model inspection and deployment. Step 1. Dataset Import. The initial step in the experiment flow involves importing the dataset specific to your experiment into H2O Hydrogen Torch. It is essential to construct the dataset in the required format depending on the problem type you aim to solve. H2O Hydrogen Torch offers a range of preprocessed datasets as references, showcasing the supported problem types and the corresponding dataset formats. Step 2. Model training. Moving forward, proceed with training your experiment's model using the imported dataset. H2O Hydrogen Torch provides various hyperparameter settings that you can adjust according to your experiment's requirements. Additionally, you can have the option to enable grid search, allowing you to experiment with multiple hyperparameter values. Step 3. Model inspection and deployment. Once the model training is complete, it's time to analyze and evaluate your experiment's model to gain insights and assess its performance. H2O Hydrogen Torch allows you to inspect the model during and after the training process. Interactive graphs provided by the tool aid in understanding the impact of selected hyperparameter values. Finally, in the concluding step, deploy your built model for practical use in relevant applications. H2O Hydrogen Torch offers multiple deployment options, including the user interface within the tool itself, external Python environments, or H2O MLOps. It's important to note that H2O Hydrogen Torch provides a standalone Python scoring pipeline that operates exclusively on Linux-based systems. By following this sequence of steps, users can effectively leverage H2O Hydrogen Torch to progress seamlessly from dataset import to model deployment, streamlining the overall workflow.